Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix thrown availability black screen error on your PC. Guys, I will show you very effective solution to fix this problem. So let's get started. Guys, first open up your Steam, then click on your game, which is the thrown availability. Click on the gear icon, go to game properties. Now here you will see the launch option. Now type -DX11. Once you type it, just launch the game and then check your problem is fixed or not. If not, then completely close the game, go to the properties again. Now here in the launch option, type -D3D11. Once you type it, then launch the game and then check your problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed, then the solution that you need to apply is run Steam as an administrator. So close Steam completely, then restart. So simply open up the Steam, click on the Steam on the top, then just click on the exit. Now go to the Windows set, type with the Steam and simply click on the open file location. Now make a right click on your Steam launcher and click on the open file location. Now right click on your Steam launcher, go to its properties. Now here you will see the compatibility. Click on that. Now just check this box of run as administrator. Then click on apply. Then just click on the OK. Now just click on the game. Then just click on the gear icon. Go to your game properties. Now go to the install files. Click on the browse option. Now here you have to simply look for your game launcher. So make a right click on it. Go to its game properties. Now go to the compatibility. Now here just check this box of the compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8, and also check the box of the disable full screen optimization and run as administrator. Then click on apply, then launch the game and then check your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if your problem is not fixed, the next solution is verify integrity of game files. So simply open up the Steam, click on the game, click on the gear icon, go to game properties. Now click on the install files, click on the verify integrity of game files, then restart your PC, then launch the game and then check. Now the next solution to fix this problem is update graphic driver. Make sure your graphic driver are fully updated as older version may cause compatibility problems. Then restart your PC. Once you updated your graphic driver, then restart the PC and then check. Now the next solution is switch to DirectX 11 or 12. So this is not very necessary. So you just need to make sure that your Windows is updated. Go to the Windows set, type with update and open it. Now just if there is any kind of available update for your Windows, then just update it. Then restart your PC, then launch the game and then check. Now the next solution is restart your PC. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve loading issues. Now the next solution is install the game on an SSD. If possible, ensure that thrown availability is installed on an SSD for better performance. Now the next solution is disable firewall by antivirus. So go to the Windows set, type the Windows security and open it. Now here you will see the virus and threat protection. Guys, why we are disabling Windows security or Defender firewall? Because sometimes Windows security block our game files from running and causing the black screen issue. So this is very important to disable it for some time. Now just click on the manage ransomware protection and just turn it off, which is the control folder access, then launch the game and then check your problem is fixed or not. Now if your problem is not fixed, then just click on the manage settings, then just turn off the real-time protection for some times to check if this is not blocking our game. Then go to the Windows set, type with the Windows Defender, open it. Now here you will see turn off Defender firewall on or off. Click on that and just turn off private network setting and also turn off public network setting. Then just click on OK, then launch the game and then check your problem is fixed or not. Now if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution that you need to apply to fix this problem is adjust game settings. If you can assess setting, try lowering graphic quality, switching to windowed mode or setting FPS limit, then check. Now the next solution is clear the cache for console tab or selecting the device or clearing the cache, then launch the game and then check. Now the next solution is check for game updates. Ensure the game is fully updated to the latest version as updates often include important bug fixes. Now update Windows and reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling thrown and liability. Now just try all of the solution and see which work for you, and I hope one of the solution fixes your problem. And if your problem is fixed, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.